Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmadu wa nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzubillahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh walladzi la nabiyya ba'dah amma ba'du. Okay. How are you today, my brother? Okay, now I want to tell you all about the role of Islamic boarding school in Indonesian education. But before I tell to you all about the role of Islamic boarding school in the Indonesian education, I want to introduce myself firstly to you all. Okay, before that, next to name, eh, firstly, my name is Muhammad Mutawakil Billah, and you call me Abil or Akil. Okay, no problem. And my birthday is 1 May in 2002. Okay, now next to my registration number, and my registration number is 1 2020 and 165. And now next to my telling, I want to tell about the rule of Islamic boarding school in Indonesian education. The rule of Islamic boarding school in Indonesian education. Pesantren is one of the oldest educational institution in Indonesia that has an important contribution to the intellectual life of the nation. This into this in institution deserve to be taken into account in nation building in the field of education, religion, and moral. Historically, Islamic boarding schools have had extraordinary experience in fostering, educating, and developing communities. In fact, Islamic boarding schools are able to exercise their role independently by exploring the potential of the community around them. Islamic boarding schools have long realized that the development of human resources is not only the responsibility of the government, but also all components of society, including the world of Islamic boarding school. Therefore, Islamic boarding school that already have historical value in fostering and developing human resources shall continue to be nurtured and developed for their quality. The development of the pesantren work must be seriously supported by the government, which is integrated into the national education system. You can call SISDIKNAS. Developing the role of pesantren in development is a strategic step in building education. In the current state of the nation's moral crisis, Islamic boarding school as educational institution, they shape and develop moral value, must be a pioneer as well as an inspiration to generate reform of the nation's moral movement. In this way, development does not become empty and dry from human values. In its existence, pesantren are generally independent and do not depend on the government or existing powers. With this independent nature, pesantren can you uphold its purity as an Islamic educational institution. Even Islamic boarding school are not easily infiltrated by sect or understandings that are not in accordance with Islamic teaching. There are at least three main elements that support the existence or absence of pesantren in education. Namely, is kiai as educators, as well as owner of boarding school and student. Islamic boarding school curriculum and facilities for worship and education, such as mosque, kiai houses, foods, madrasas, and skill workshop. These elements manifest in the reform of activities that are summarized in the Tridharma of Islamic boarding school, namely foster faith and pity to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, developing useful knowledge and expertise of devoted to religion, society, and the state. Okay, I think enough. I'm sorry if you find many faults or mistake from me. Okay, the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.